How are you? I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been teaching driver's education 21 years, and I'm here in North America. I'm going to give you 5 ways how to cope with feelings of panic and anxiety related to driving. Let's get right into it. Number 1, better understand your anxiety. Does it happen during rush hour? Does it happen after you get home? Is your head racing all the time? It's really important that you understand your triggers and try to be patient. It could be your mate. It could be something environmental. When you drive, it should be a relaxing situation. It should not be stressful. Number 2, set realistic goals. I live in a huge metropolitan area. I'm not going to take my first or my second time drivers to downtown. It's too overwhelming. There's too much stimuli. Be patient. Learn your neighborhood. Learn your community. Learn your county. As time goes on, you'll develop endurance and stability to make safe decisions. If you jump into a heavy traffic environmental situation, you will be overwhelmed and you will shut down. Literally, you will become sick. Next, experiment with relaxation. I definitely do that. I try to have some chilled, relaxing music on the radio. I try to have my favorite go-to beverage in the car, no alcohol. I try to remain comfortable. I do have the AC on, like some fresh air coming in. I mix it up with R&B, a little Christian music, a little rap, so my environment is comfortable. And if your environment is comfortable, then you're going to make better situations. Bring your support. Bring your significant other. They live with you. They understand you. Bring them with you. Help them support you. Driving anxiety and stress is real. And I want you to know that. And once you admit it, that's the first step. Last one, start with small exposures. Going through the neighborhood. Going on a 5-mile radius in your community. Going on one major interstate and getting off. Going on maybe during rush hour for 10 minutes and getting back off. Going on maybe on the weekend when it's not so intense. I listed my 5 things. I hope that helped you. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I gave you my top 5 things to deal with and handle stress. And I hope this was educational for you. Subscribe to my channel, and I do appreciate what you bring. And we talked about the effects of driving with anxiety. Bye.